Where's the chicken? Over there.
Oh, so we were invited by Chunky Boss to try out their chicken. So I ordered some of the classic chicken sandwich, and I think a sweet chili version too, because I wanted to try most of what they have on the menu.
It's pretty packed.
Yeah, it is pretty packed.
It's happening.
All right, so we got our first item. This is the sweet chili chicken chop. It does look like a flattened pork chop, right?
It's huge.
It is huge.
It's bigger than your head.
It smells really good too. It feels really hot, so I'm gonna be very careful with this bite. So the side that doesn't have the sweet chili still tastes kind of sweet. Wow, interesting.
So they brush the chicken basically?
Yeah, so they brushed it with a little bit of that sweet chili, which is really good. It doesn't have a lot of kick, so slightly spicy, not too much. Wow, good stuff.
How much is that one?
This one's $10.
Ready for some chicken? Nico's trying to steal it.
Yeah.
It's like a big chicken nugget, but a quality one. I think the batter is sweet. That's probably why it's yummy.
Here's a tender. You get 3, and I got these plain because I just wanted to try the plain one. Yes, because when you order these, you can order kind of like the powder that you want to put on them. And I think I chose cheese, so this has cheese powder on it.
Yeah, the batter's sweet, and then with the cheese.
Yeah, you can pick between like curry powder, black pepper. I think there was like a spicy powder. And I was like, you know what? Let me go with just cheese.
I think this is my favorite so far.
Yeah. And we wanted to go with a plain one.
It's ginormous.
Yeah, it was just freshly made too. Because it's kind of like made to order.
Made to order. Yeah. This is really good just by itself. And then with that we got a passion fruit tea. It's our favorite. It's like coconut jelly.
Yeah. Because it's right next to Tiger Sugar, so those are the options for drinks.
Yeah, really good. I think my favorite is
the one with the cheese powder?
Yeah. I also like the smaller size. It's more manageable.
So for me, it's the sweet chili one. Well, I like the chicken chop with the sweet chili sauce. Because I really like that. I like the sweet and savory stuff. Back in the warmth of the car, and yeah, it was a nice stroll through Chinatown. It was Nico's first experience in Chinatown, which was awesome. He really enjoyed it, although he was a little bit he didn't know what to expect, I guess. There were so many people. So about Chunky Boss, it's actually pretty good. Like, the chicken is juicy, right? But they kind of like make it to order, right? So it comes right out of the fryer. I really like that. I really enjoyed the sweet chili one the most. I like that kind of like sweet savory flavor, and Maria liked the one that had powdered cheese on it, because when you order it, you can you can add like a powder to it if you want. I decided to go with cheese because I wanted Nico to try it, and he actually ate a chunk, which he hardly ever wants to eat chicken, so that was a miracle. So when you go in, it's right next to Tiger Sugar, and you just go up to the kiosk and you order your food there, right? So you have to use the kiosk. They have like 3. So don't do like I did, where I was just standing at the counter waiting for somebody to take my order. I was like, hey, where do I go order? And someone's like, hey, you gotta use the kiosk. So if you guys go to Chunky Boss, let us know how you like it. What other things you like doing when you go to Chinatown, right? So let us know in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.